behind it. That way we can get it.
Hello?
Man, you want to get a little bit more, driver?
Come on, bud.
Yeah, that's what I his passenger front tire. Get it up on that ledge.
Yeah.
If he's got room.
You're right.
Back
I don't
up
think you
just
can
a
climb
little
back.
bit.
Rock on the left.
Stop.
Driver's side.
Turn driver. Come forward. Stop. Now you're going to come up, and as you come up, go passenger just ever so slightly. Come on up. Alright.
There you go.
Now, keep that rear tire, look up your door. Keep that rear tire nice and straight under that bar.
Ah, carrying the wheel. Those 30 shafts.
Oh, yeah, he does have the stock ones. I got stock ones in my kit.
That's why I've got those 30 spline chrome mollies at the house. And I told him when he ordered the ox, I said, well, if it ain't too late, you can change your order so you can upgrade to those 30 spines. The only thing that sucks, you can't throw a stocker back in. You know, so if you break one, it's going to be expensive.
The other thing.
Now go passenger.
Watch his belly on it.
Well,
Good obstacle. So I'd much rather deal with that than that slip. Probably center still.
his rear tire's not climbing that stuff. Rear tire's not climbing that. This one's spreading up against the rock. Back on the rock. Nothing left a little bit. Just ease on the rock. Try to get the brake on. Work on the rear. Maybe we'll come to the rest of the tire slightly. Keep on back.
Spinning tires! Joker.
Back up and put some rocks over on that side. Back up just a little bit. About 2 feet. Alright, hold. Whoa.
Good?
Yep, try it.
These are on up.
Good, good.
Straight. Slightly back.
Tried so hard to kick them off.
Hey, try to come back driver and just same thing. Tuck your wheel back to the driver's side, please. Driver, driver, driver. Okay. Back up. Alright. close on this right rear.
Yeah, he just got to get that last little roll forward like 6 inches and just smack it and see where you go.
Yeah,
Keep it straight. So, sliders on that side, the left rear tire will keep you off that rock. Go, your car's passing down.
do that. Pull, go all the way to the right, pull forward, turn all the way to the right, pull forward until it stops. Alright, stop. Now cut it all the way back the other way and back up.
That's a probably a better line right there. You're out of your finger. Driver a little bit.
My line, the driver's side tire must be right here on the station.
I think you're one more bump. And just don't stop it before you hard on?
Yeah, 4 tires pulling on the front though.
Yeah, your front's digging great.
Even when you had one in the air, it was trying to dig.
Roll forward just about 6 inches, and yeah, you'll ride your part. You hear rhythm.
Just keep it pointed fairly straight.
Yeah, just keep it straight. Yes. Roll forward. I'll tell you when to It's carrying that forward momentum just ever so slightly.
Good.
All right.
I'm not the only one. Yes. Don't worry about it.
All right. Give it just a little bit of throttle. Come forward. Come on.